How to use Gear Up Booster in Fortnite. So you're gonna have to go ahead and download the official app, of course. So go to your Microsoft Store and search for Gear Booster or Gear Up Booster. Pretty much depends on you. As long as you find something like this, just go ahead and open it up and install the app itself. Then you can go ahead and open Gear Up Booster. But before anything else, you're gonna have to put in mind that to use the actual app, you're gonna need a subscription. As you can see, there's a Fortnite option here from the very first option. So once you press on boost, it's gonna show this little option to get a 3-day free trial. So either you could go ahead and try this option over here, or you could go ahead and actually get a subscription. But once you do get either the trial or subscription, you can go ahead and directly boost Fortnite itself. Just go ahead and restart the Fortnite and you will be able to use Gear Up Booster on Fortnite. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.